Well, should I start this off with? Yes, I should. Let's make a jig. So, when I was out fishing at Lake Lavon, I actually found this feather. So there's probably enough material here to make maybe one jig for sure. Might be able to make two out of it. I have no idea what kind of feather that is. Then I thought I'd use an orange black medium, which is really the Chenille's medium's a little bit smaller than medium, but I'm going to use it. And then I'm going to use a 1/16 number 4 sickle hook. So let's get started. We have the hook, it's loose. Okay, so we'll start with this thread. I've got Danville's 210 white. It's a little loose here. Let's put down that first thread base. Now we get to mess with the feathers. Feathers are right at the right length of what I want. But we have to get them off of the quill. Very thin feather. I lost a little piece. Here's a bit. Got more quill with that one. I think what we'll do is let's get this on first. And then we'll see where we stand. If I can get 2 jigs out of this feather, that'd be nice. I always like to have 2. Especially if they're catching fish, I like to keep using it. Yeah, we're not going to get two jigs out of this. Because when that hits the water, it's just going to disappear. Kind of a pretty feather, though. That one needs to be spun around. Stick it straight up. Okay. So now, since this chenille is so much narrower than some of the other stuff I get from Woods and Water. What I do, I do 2 wraps with it, but I start my thread back a little. Then when I do the chenille, it's a backwards way of doing things. And now we're tangled. So working towards the lead ball is backwards on tying these. Usually you start and then go back. Okay. So there. So now I wrap towards the tail end, and then I'll come back forward to get the thickness that I want with this chenille. Okay, got it wrapped enough. I should be able to cut it off. And we do the hand whipping. I do have a whip, but see, it's sitting right here. I just don't use it. And then I finish it up with hard as nails. I know you can't read that, but when I do the hard as nails, I don't put it on with the brush. I put it on with a toothpick. Because I don't see the need to have tons of glue. And they've always, so far with fishing I'm doing, keep reusing the jigs, and they haven't been falling apart. That doesn't mean they won't fall apart. So there we have the finished jig.